between 2002 and 2024, the number of 16 to 64-year-olds who were claiming disability benefits, so this isn't just sort of being signed off for a week, disability benefits for mental health conditions increased from 360,000 to 1.28 million. So that has quadrupled. What the Treasury spends on health and disability benefits before the pandemic, that was 28 billion. It's currently 52 billion every year. It's every year. By the end of the decade, that's estimated to hit 70 billion.
Yeah.
So that is going up and up and up. So you want to be doing something to reverse some of those trends.
This is why the biblical principle is so important, because if you followed the biblical principle that you need to make sure that any welfare system that you have, and arguably Old Testament Israel did have a form of welfare.
Absolutely it does.
But you've got to make sure that it is accomplishing two goals. One is you decide what your criteria are for a hand out.
Yeah.
But you also need, arguably, would you say, weight it towards a hand up? Because ultimately, where we've ended up is we've ended up in a situation here where, because we're not applying those principles to our welfare system, because there's a lack of ideology being applied. It's much more pragmatic, and we've drifted. The absence of conviction has allowed us to drift into a situation where what we've done is we've created an ever-growing safety net for an ever-increasing number of conditions and situations. That means, in terms of the number of people who could be in work but are not, it's just grown and grown and grown. And so you can see now why the biblical teaching is so important.